Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah, I'm your silk artist, and today I wanted to share with you some ideas to frame your silk artworks. These are just some of my artworks that they're only small ones, but to give you an idea, these can all be adapted to as large as you like to paint. So if you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel. And there's certainly going to be a lot more content about silk painting and lots of tips and things to learn. Okay, so let's get into it. So I've got a few artworks here. This is just a little one. This is part of my silk painting kit. This is the butterfly that's recently been finished. So what I want to show you were some ideas on how to frame them. Starting off first, so this is the butterfly, and I've got just a little canvas here. It's not ideal, but this is what I'll just demonstrate to you first. So I've got just a regular canvas, and the butterfly, the silk artwork can be attached straight onto the canvas. So you can just lay it out. If I'd got a smaller canvas, this would have been easier to show you, or if I'd painted the silk a little bit bigger, you've got a few more options as well. So you can trim off the edges, trim it back to the right size of your canvas, tidy up all the edges, and attach it straight onto the canvas like that using a product called Golden Soft Gel Gloss. Now there's plenty of other YouTube videos going around on how to do this, so I won't go into it in this video, but there will be one coming up later that will show you exactly how to do this process on here, but it's very straightforward. Gives a nice finish, and it's also ends up as a canvas and very easy to pop on the wall. You can also stretch them. There again, if I said if my silk was just a little bit bigger, you can stretch it and come around to the back. If my silk was a little bigger, it would go like this around the edge. You could use a hot glue gun to hold that there and stretch it out and do the other side. And that would stretch it beautifully onto that and give nice blue sides as well, and very easy to frame. So that's the canvas idea. I also like to use these little frames. These are acrylic. These ones are acrylic and magnetic. They do come up in some larger sizes as well. So this is just a very tiny artwork that I do. Just show you. There you go. So it's just a very tiny artwork. Easily goes into the acrylic. There we go. Make sure it's all square. And pop that back on. And that can sit on a coffee table or up against a window. It gives the silk a beautiful luminosity when you can actually see the silk and the shine, the sheen that the silk has. They're very nice. I like framing things this way. They make great presents as well. Okay, another option that we'll go back to the butterfly. One of my very favourite simple ways to frame a beautiful piece of silk is to actually just hang it from a piece of dowel. A little bit of glue on the dowel and roll it over so you've got the edge covered, and it will hang, and that way it doesn't lose the integrity of the silk. It'll billow beautifully and hang beautifully. And then I'll also use just a cord across the top and hang from a hook like that. Very easy, won't take you long, and it's nice. What I also do with the edges is tidy all these up, and you can pull out just the odd pieces of silk, tidy up the selvage edge, just cut that along, tidy them up, all the edges, pull just one or two rows of thread out. That gives you a beautiful soft edge on there. I also like to use driftwood, just for something different and a little bit more interest for things to hang from. So same again, a little bit of glue or hot glue, double-sided tape, anything that you've got. It doesn't have to be special, and it really does give a beautiful way to hang things. There you go. And my last way, although there are plenty, is to use a picture frame. So this is just a basic picture frame that I have my turtle into. I'll show you here. So all I've done is stretch it over the piece of cardboard that it comes with. Tuck it in nicely. Tape it down if you can. Put in the back. That was all taped down. Put in the backing board. And there you have it. Turtle's beautiful. I think that's a really great way to save the piece of artwork that you've just created. So this is the turtle in the painting kit that I've got. That's the butterfly, and either of them, they both look beautiful in that frame. There you go. There's some options for you for easily framing your new creation. Sometimes you just got to think a little bit outside the square of how things are going to work. But I think that to pick up a little frame like this, inexpensive, and it'll feature your artwork beautifully on a little table, even hanging on a wall. So thanks everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.